Hello YouTube friends and subscribers. It's about 4 degrees today here in the UK, so what better time to give the car an oil change. First thing we're going to have to do is get it up on the ramps because the old girl is a little bit low at the front. I think the shockers are a bit down. So let's get started. Right, the next thing to do is get underneath there and remove the under tray. Right, under here there's a whole series of these Torx screws. There's two different sizes, I'll give you those at the end, but you come around the whole under tray and there's a bunch of these. Straightforward enough to get off. Not complicated. Right, the next thing to do is make sure you've got a plastic bowl container ready, and then locate the drain plug, which is just here. And that is a 19mm plug, 90mm socket. I think this is the right size. That's quite loose on there. Right, this stuff you need to make sure you've got your bowl in exactly the right place, because this stuff comes out pretty quick and pretty hot. It's just binding a little. It's gone very loose now, so here we go. Now, what I like to do now is just go and have your lunch and leave this to drain. Obviously we took the car out for a little drive to get the oil hot, but it'll still take 10 minutes or so, maybe a little bit longer, to let all the oil drain out. What I'm going to do next is lift the bonnet up and undo the filter, which will also help the thing to drain. So looking down under the bonnet, first thing we want to do is have this lid thing off. Just pulls off. It's only held on there with some big popper things, and a sort of fork there at the back. Put that to one side. Now, looks like some of the soundproofing stuff has come adrift. We'll deal with that in a minute. Right, so this is where our oil filter resides, in this place here. I'm not quite sure what size that is, maybe 32, something like that. Yeah. So 32mm, and you just need your extension bar and give that a turn anti-clockwise, which I do now. So basically you're going to be turning this anti-clockwise, which I don't think I can do one-handedly. And then your filter will come out. Just have that piece of rag ready, because, and there is your worn out, knackered old filter. Obviously it's going to be dripping, so out it comes. Right, that's been dripping for about 25 minutes, I suppose, and still leaking a little bit. Depending on how keen you are, you could leave it, you know, until it totally stops. I think we're going to have to call it done now, because we can end up running out of light. I'm going to stick the bolt back in the bunghole. You can use a new washer if you want to. They are readily available for about 50p. And then we will top the engine back up with the correct amount of oil. Now we want to remove the old oil filter. From memory this just pulls out. There we are. So that's your old oil filter. If you wanted to, you could just give that a wipe round, just to be polite. And I like to use these filters. This all comes from the GSF website. You get the one recommended for your car. As you can see, it's the same thing. And that just goes straight on there. Now you used to get, there it is, I was going to say, it used to get an O-ring. The trick, the O-ring is here. That little O-ring just sits on the last notch, right up under the, well, right under the shoulder. I should probably put my other glasses on. There we are. You'd see it now. And like all German engineering, it has a nice comfortable slot to sit in there. Arguably we could have taken the, that's probably the better way to do it, isn't it? Right, let's just get this flipping thing out of here. It's always difficult, actually. Well, it's not difficult, but it's a funny, awkward sort of thing. It's like a great big elastic band. Right, now, it's funny, we seem to have got more oil on ourselves doing that than anything else. So, the O-ring goes into that groove around there. Same degree of difficulty getting the new one back on. Now you know why it costs so much to get your car serviced at the Volkswagen main dealer. Because they've got to have a special bit of kit to do everything. And there we are. That's all neatly back in its place. So we can now reinstate the cardboard filter, and that is all ready to go back into the engine. So this just goes straight down in the hole, like that. And then you tighten it up by hand, and then use that 32mm socket on the top of it, and just wind it in a bit. Going the wrong way. I think you get the idea, guys. Just wind it in nicely. There's no need to absolutely batter it in there. It's not a test of strength. So now what we're going to do is refill the engine in the normal way, the filler. What I'm going to do, after years of practice, I'm going to clean that out first, but I like to use a funnel, because the last thing you want is gushings of oil all across the top of your rocker cover and stuff. This has got a few leaves in it, so I'll clean this out and then we'll fill the engine back up. I've been looking after this car for about 100,000 miles, and I've always put in the GSF own brand. They've slightly changed their brand name now, so I got a bit confused and went for the next level up. But this is still PD plus engine oil, and these are PD motors in these 1.9 Golfs. So PD plus 5W40. We'll start topping the engine up now. Now what I like to do is pour the oil into a smaller container, so you're not hanging on to a gallon can as you're depositing it into the system. It also gives you a clue how much you've actually entered into the engine. So this is the thick end of 3 litres now. You don't get arm ache with the gallon can, and a tendency to try to rush it in there as well, and the possibility of spilling it everywhere. I'm just going to roll the vehicle back off the ramps. Right, when you've topped up the oil, just check the dipstick to make sure it's about right. Bear in mind that when you're filling it, the dipstick will read full, but I like to turn the engine over a couple of times because the oil filter is empty at that point. Turn it over a couple of times and you'll notice the oil level will go down on your dipstick, so then you need to just retop it up. This is the kit we've used, guys, so you can see there's hardly any equipment required. Okay, we're going to dispose of the oil in a hygienic way by putting it into an empty oil can, taking it to the recycling. The only thing you might not have in your kit is a couple of ramps and a couple of short bits of builder's plank. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. That is the oil change on the Volkswagen Golf Mark V. Some of you have already seen me fixing this car before. It's a 1.9 diesel, the TDi. This one has got 201,000 miles on the clock. And how do we get that distance? Well, we just change the oil regularly. Never mind about this 10,000 miles. Do it when you think it needs it, 5,000, 7,000, whatever. The oil and the filter came to, let's see, it's gone up a bit. I think it was something like £32 this time. So that's the DIY way of doing a home service. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that'd be good. You'll be able to see what else we get up to in the car fixing, the home fixing, and even some photography tips.